In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now choose Allow in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start your recording. Then select while using the app and allow. As you can see, my recording is on. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this right button. In order to pause it or unpause it, click on the left one. And if you want to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is over here. You can always play it by clicking on it. If you wish to rename it, hold it, tap on rename at the top and type in wherever you wish to. Then click on OK to save your name. Now, in order to get rid of your recording, hold it, select Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can manage even more recording options by choosing this gear icon at the top right corner and adjusting all of them however you wish to, like format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!